Hello, good morning, Adam.
Morning.
Hello, good morning, Adam. Hey, hold on. Why I can't hear myself? Okay, we need to get rid of the sound in the live stream. Okay. So we don't hear it over and over again. All right. Yes. Hold on. I lost my screen. Hi. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. No, no, no. Hold on. Yes. Where is the perfect student? Escaping. Like how? I thought all the business are closed. The hotels are open? Okay. Do you want to try to test him and we just start without him? Forget him. Okay, gotcha. All right. So, yeah, try to call him one time, and then if he's not joining, then we forget about him. Hold on 1 second. Let me pull the worksheet up, and I have several things to say before we start.
Several things.
What? All right.
You better put a timer.
Put a timer.
50 minutes. 50 minutes.
15 minutes.
10, so 10:50. I'm out.
Okay, I know. Just be quiet. Is your other teacher do the same thing yet?
Yeah, just trying to do it.
Okay.
Not hangouts, but like online.
Online stuff. Okay. So do you know what he said?
He's coming.
Okay. Do you guys have any conflict on your schedule? Like, do you need to meet anybody else in this time?
No, it starts at 12, I think.
Okay.
Is it 12? I got for CCP.
Wait, he's actually going to meet us online? Coach going to meet us online?
I thought she already did it once.
Yeah, I think he sent the schedule. I'm not sure.
Okay, yeah, check your other class schedule if you have any conflict. I don't think other teacher want to start this early, but if you have any conflict, let me know, okay?
Now, why do you start this early, Miss Tia?
Because we can avoid the traffic. See?
Miss Tia,
What traffic?
schools are closed until May 1st now, right? So this class is pass or fail.
I think so, yes. Okay, so
They're publishing
This
report
pass or
cards.
like, we'll be done.
They're not publishing report cards, so we don't actually have to do anything.
I know, Miss Tia.
all right, okay. First thing I want to say is about the extended close. And so far we heard we're gonna be back at the week after May 1st,
The week after May 1st.
which is the week you graduate. So
No, that's the week after.
no, it's the week before you graduate. So there might be some like test exams here and there, you know.
They're not. Watch them cancel graduation.
Well, did they already cancel graduation?
They canceled college graduations.
Yeah, we didn't cancel the high school graduation yet. We might still have it.
College didn't think twice about canceling college graduation. What makes you think that they're not going to cancel regular high school graduation?
Yeah, I don't know. And UC is closed. It's like if we're still doing that, I don't know if we can get that spot.
Let's focus on the main point here. This class is pass or fail. You like everybody here. Let's
Here's
pass
what
everybody,
class, bro.
and they can be done.
That's a good idea.
Okay, no. We're gonna keep learning until the last moment. Okay? I can stop testing you guys, but you're gonna keep learning.
Tested it once yet.
Yeah, like we only have like 2 so far, right? But I probably won't test you guys anymore, but we still need to do work. Like, just think about it. If you have a huge gap between now and your college, how are you gonna be successful in college? Because you already forget everything you learned in high school. So we have to keep learning, okay?
I'm just gonna cut the shot. Just let it go. If I need help in college.
Okay, no. So, what is that?
Just let it go.
No.
Just let it go.
No,
Like idiots.
No, okay, so far our plan is we're just gonna like have a live streaming every maybe 2 or 3 days a week, and then well, maybe few assignment here and there, and no testing. Okay, what do you think about that?
I couldn't do the Khan Academy for completing squares. Tell her how hard it was.
All right.
Hard.
Okay.
Look at 25.
All right. Hold on. We will do that in a little bit. Okay, so here is the situation about this class. Okay, so anybody taking AP class right now? Other AP classes?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
if you are taking AP class, tomorrow is your only chance to go back to school and get your stuff to review for AP exam.
Aziz, take me tomorrow. Aziz, take me.
No, you are not allowed to take anybody, and everybody have to be how many feet apart, okay?
6 feet.
Yeah, 6 feet apart. I didn't post it because our class is now a AP class.
Anybody's gonna care that you drive together?
I just
Probably not.
okay, you don't know, like probably one of our 7 people already have that disease. You don't know.
We see it.
Yeah, what do you want?
Do that with you too.
Huh?
You reverse him come to school. It'd be fun.
What?
I want to come to school. So can it sit in one of the AP stats classes?
No, they are not coming as a class. Hold on. They are not coming as a class. They come.
individually.
Oh, then I can go if I wanted to.
I can't hear you very well. What is it?
Stay at home.
No.
Stay at home.
No.
Yes.
So Miss Sia,
Yes.
they're not coming as a class. They're coming individually to collect packets and stuff like that.
That's what I just said.
Yes, they come individually, and then they have to wait in line in front of the school door, and people have to get in one by one. So
Can I come and say I have AP stats and then get paperwork from you? I just want to come.
no.
Why not?
Why yes?
Miss Sia.
Well, I don't control that. You don't understand. I do not control none of this. Do you understand that?
Who's gonna say no to me, Miss Sia? If I'll just
She
say,
just
I
did.
have AP stats.
Well-
You think Bomber's gonna think I don't have AP stats?
You know what, Akash? You can just go and tell Mr. Balmer you miss him too much, that you cannot sleep. He will let you go.
He's definitely.
No,
Bomber
he'll
will let
kick
me
your
go.
ass out.
He hates you, but he likes me. He's pick me up tomorrow. Pick me up.
I'm not going tomorrow.
You're a
What makes
savage.
you think I'm going to school tomorrow?
Yeah, what do you think he is going to school tomorrow? Okay. All right. Good chatting with everybody, okay? I miss you guys so much, and we need to get to work.
Okay, we'll talk tomorrow then.
No.
See ya.
No.
So,
We are not just doing the daily chatting, okay?
Bye.
No bye. No. Okay, alright. So everybody already pulled the worksheet up from Google Classroom or the YouTube streaming. Adam, stop it.
Hello?
No, you hung up on me. That's unacceptable. Alright, everybody in that Google worksheet? I didn't see anybody. Well, it's okay. You can look at the streaming. Okay, you ready?
You're on the graph, Miss Sia.
Huh?
You're on this.
Am I on the decimals? I'm not. Alright, so you can just use the streaming. Okay. Alright, Adam, can you please ask your friends stop talking to each other?
That is that.
Alright, I appreciate it. Okay. So today we're gonna talk about polynomial functions of higher degree. So far we talk about quadratic function. Quadratic function is how many degree?
2.
2. Okay. So today we're gonna obviously talking about more than 2. Okay. First of all, I want to clarify polynomial function. What is polynomial function? Polynomial function basically looks like this. They have turning and it's curved, but it's always continuous. Do not have any breakpoint. Can you see my mouse? Let me see.
Nope. Yeah, we can see your mouse.
Okay. Okay, I mean the mouse on the screen, Akash.
Yeah.
Alright, over here. And polynomial function have only round terms. So for example, if you like over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 turn, and each turn is like it's not sharp, it's round terms. Do not look like this. Okay, what function is this?
That is the absolute value function.
Absolute value function. You cannot see my mouse? Like I'm
Yeah, we
moving?
can.
What equation are you pointing to? Like, I can't even tell.
You're just circling around it.
Yes.
You got circling everything on my computer.
You have the live stream open.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Are you
Oh.
blind?
I don't.
Okay, let's don't fight with each other, okay? If you see a V shape,
Where's the circle? Where's the circle?
this is a wrong word. This is a... Okay, guys, can you help me?
I think it's just like
Akash, you need to go to my live. You are not opening one of my videos.
There's 10 people watching.
Adam, get your friend away if they are not listening.
I don't have any friends, Cynthia.
Okay, don't have any friends.
Tell them.
Alright, so far what do we talk about? Polynomial is continuous and do not have sharp terms.
Yeah.
Okay, Akash, you find it? That is yesterday's worksheet. No, last time's, not even yesterday.
I was just being ready to see it.
Okay, I'm not talking about that. Okay, find the video. Alright.
crazy how much you get off topic.
Nope, I can't find it. Why did you post the link online?
Okay, alright.
Here, I'll post it in the group chat.
Okay, thank you. Alright, 1 second. Gosh, you're killing me. How you're not in there yet?
What the hell was it on Google Classroom?
Okay, it's my fault. I see it. Alright, it's on Google Classroom now. It's on my comment, okay?
I'll look at them and say you can continue.
Okay. Alright. Okay, let me repeat myself again. Polynomial function is a function that is continuous without any sharp turn. Okay, all the turns are round turns. Okay, and then if you get to look at the graph of fx equals to x to the nth power, over here is actually our parent function for each polynomial function. And if n is an even number, then your graph is very very looks like the function of a quadratic. Okay, x squared. So if n is odd, like for example 3, 5, 7, it will looks very similar to the function of x cubed. Okay. All right. So
Isn't that only just the end behavior?
say again.
Isn't that only the end behavior? Isn't that only the end behavior that's the same?
The end behavior does the same, and also the graph is that looks like each other. But only
Do odd and even functions with the
say again.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yes, we did odd even function. So if n is even, then is even function looks just like y equals to x squared. Okay, so for example, give you, let's look at some. Okay. All right. So for example, we have y equals to x squared This is a quadratic function, parent function for y equal to x squared.
Yeah.
Okay? Do you see that this is y equals to x to the 8th power? Let's change to 6. Change to 4. Do you see they're all very, very similar to y equals to x squared?
It's because they're even.
Yes. All right. So let me get rid of this and let's see the parent function of x cubed. You should know what x cubed looks like by now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let's try to the 5th power. Do you see? Very similar. Okay. 7,
So it's in the odd power.
9. Let's do 11. And this is 1, 1, 1. Okay, if it's odd function, it will very looks like x to the cube power. And over here, just remind you, this is not a straight line. This is very close to 0, but it's not 0. Okay, do you see over here it's not 0?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're not having a graduation right now. Okay, later we will. Okay, oh my god.
How did you forget that?
Christina, this is how we're going to be doing our graduation.
Huh?
This is how we're going to be doing our graduation online. On Google Hangouts.
All right.
Hangouts graduation.
I will be there. Alright, let's look at example number 1. So over here, since we don't have, like, I cannot see you sketch it, so let's just talk about it. Okay, so you're gonna talk about, tell me what is the parent function looks like and what transformation it is. Okay, the first one. Fx equals to negative x to the 5th power.
So that's
Odd.
So first of all, it's an odd function. It looks like x to the cube, right? A paperclip.
It's looking like x to the third, but it's flipped over the x-axis.
It's flip over x-axis or y-axis.
Yeah.
X-axis?
Yeah.
Well, actually, it doesn't matter because since it's an
Oh,
odd
yeah.
function, so flip over x-axis is flip over y-axis. Does that make sense? Because it's an odd function. All right, so let's look at this one.
on decimals.
So first of all, the parent function is x to the 5th power. Looks like this. Okay? And then we're gonna flip. Think about this graph. If you flip over x-axis, will become this way, right? If you flip over y-axis, it's still this way because this is the odd function. So like flip over x or y-axis doesn't matter. So
Flipping.
okay.
Oh gosh.
See? Negative x to the 5th power. Flip over y-axis. Become this way. Okay? Alright, so this is the first one. Let's look at the second one. X plus 1 to the 4th power. First of all, tell me what does this graph looks like.
It goes, it's a parabola.
It's
that
a
is
parabola?
shifted to the left by 1.
Okay, it is a parabola and a plus 1, that means left one. It's Laziz go change his clothes. His camera is off.
This has gone to change? No, I'm sorry.
Okay. You don't need to change. You look good in that. Just keep it.
Okay, I'm not gonna change.
Alright. So this is x to the 4th power and go left 1. Minus 1. Is that go left 1 or plus 1? Okay.
Left
bad.
one.
Yep. So it looks like this. Alright. Is everybody okay?
Yeah.
Yep. The last one.
Okay, down 7.
Down 7. Minus 7 at the end. Okay. So over here. Instead of left 1, down 7. Ooh. Okay. Here. Down 7. Alright. Okay, so this is a basic graph for parent function, and let's keep going and see what it really looks like when it's not just x to the cube, whatever. If they have a standard form, looks like this, and we will see what their end behavior is. And what we're gonna talk about following is called the lead coefficient test. What is the lead coefficient?
The number in front of the exponent?
The number in front of the highest degree term. Okay?
Yeah.
So which is our, like if you put it in order, which is our first term. Okay? So over here the coefficient is an. So when the we will see when the coefficient is positive or negative, what will happen. But again, we're gonna break it down to two groups. When the highest degree of the polynomial, if the degree is odd, which means over here n to the maybe third power or fifth power, when the degree is odd, then here is your situation. Your end behavior left and right is opposite. Okay, when n is odd, if the lead coefficient, the first number, is positive, then your graph looks like on the left it go down, on the right it go up. Okay, and when the coefficient is negative, on the left you go up, on the right you go down. You write this as fx go to negative infinity, go down all the way, as x go to negative infinity, which means when x go all the way smaller and smaller, then your y also goes smaller. Okay? And this is the situation when n is odd. When the degree is even, for example, your highest degree will be x to the 4th power or x to the 12th power. And then your end behavior for left and right is the same direction. So when the leading coefficient is positive, then both left and right go up. When the leading coefficient is negative, both left or right go down. Okay? All right. So over here, just a note for notation. You have it. And when you see it, you know what's going on. Okay? So, example 2. Let's look at this. So first one, I will do first one with you together, and we do second one. You do second one yourself, okay? So the first one, tell me what is the degree of the polynomial?
1. 4. What's the highest degree?
Okay, anybody else?
What?
Akash, what does degree means?
The first.
That is the leading coefficient.
So,
The degree is to the what highest power?
Yeah.
So how many degrees there are?
2.
Are you looking at this one?
Yeah. Negative x squared plus 4x.
Okay, Akash, I think what you are thinking about is how many terms they are. Terms means like they have 1 term, 2 term. And then the degree means what is the highest power it goes to. Javier, what is the degree?
No, what?
What? What are you doing?
I'm listening.
No, you are not listening. You're answering my question.
Adam, what's the highest degree? Adam doesn't know too.
Alright, so this one, the degree is 3. You just see what highest power it is. Okay? Alright.
Good, I said that.
So the highest degree, you just look at the highest degree, which is 3. Okay? 3 is odd or even?
Oh, I don't think it's
3 is odd.
all from here.
3 is odd, right? Okay? 3 is odd. So we need to look at these two. Okay? Alright, tell me what is the lead coefficient?
It's plus 4x. So that'd be up 4.
Okay, what is the lead coefficient?
1. Negative 1.
What is the number in front of the first term? It's negative 1 here.
1.
You see here? Negative 1. So negative 1 is negative.
Yeah.
So tell me what is the behavior?
What is the what?
What is the end behavior looks like? Left.
Oh. it's gonna be
Up, and then right's gonna be down.
my earbuds are messed up.
So we're here. This one, right? Left gonna go up. And right gonna go down.
Yeah.
So how you gonna write it mathematically?
F goes to negative infinity.
Okay.
Minus F goes from negative infinity
Go up, right? Go down.
to positive infinity.
Okay, so left it go up. So go up is fx going to the positive infinity. Okay. Okay, where's the infinity sign? I'm looking for it. Give me 1 second. Oh, infinity. As x going to
X goes to negative infinity.
negative infinity. Okay.
Yeah.
Negative infinity. Oh my god. This is okay, negative infinity. And then go right, go down. How you gonna say that? What is go down?
As f of x goes to negative infinity, x goes to positive infinity.
Okay, very good. Okay, so left go up. You are saying fx going to up, positive infinity, as x going to negative infinity. Left is go down. Okay, and then right go down. You are saying fx to negative infinity as x getting like all the way big. So this is how you write it. Okay, so for this question, actually, I just need this sentence, and what on the top is for you to understand what's going on. Okay, can you do B, C by yourself? Okay, what is Haneo doing?
Then all.
Did she?
No, you're there.
What?
What are you doing? Are you watching videos? All right.
No.
Missy,
Yes, Mr. Akash.
do you mind if I come to school tomorrow just to like,
Oh my
if
god.
I can?
These dumbass wants to go to school.
This is an idiot.
I'm thinking about if I should go to school, but I probably
No.
I'm not allowed to.
No, but you said for AP, so you had to go for AP, right?
How are you gonna unlock the dormancy?
Like
Yeah.
4 AP classes.
I don't think I'm allowed to go. That's the problem.
You have to unlock the dormancy.
Yeah.
No, they just want students to get their stuff.
Yeah, not going to the classroom.
They don't go to the classroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish I can see them, but we will see.
So wait, I need to get stuff from my locker too, but I'm our student. Like I need my stuff.
Okay, Akash, you need to look at B, okay?
What? All right.
So degree 4, odd.
Yeah.
Okay,
Even, my bad.
lead coefficient.
1.
Okay, 1.
Yep.
Positive.
Uh,
So what the shape gonna look like?
it's gonna be to the left it's gonna be up, and to the right it's gonna be up.
Look like this. Both sides go
Yeah.
up, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Left up, right up. All right, Akash, give me this sentence.
Left, up, right, down.
No.
Akash,
Neither
Akash.
side is down, Akash.
listen, Akash. Degree is 4, which is even. You need to pick from this two, right?
Oh, because that goes in a U shape, so both of them.
They're all infinity.
Yes. So when x going to negative infinity, fx going to infinity. When x going to positive infinity, fx will also going to infinity. So when no matter x is going to negative infinity or positive infinity, both sides go up. So y is going to positive infinity no matter what. All right, let's do a quick check. Do you understand what's going on?
No,
Nope.
not at all.
No, not idea.
What? I don't know what you're talking about. It's f(x) equals infinity as x equals arrows negative infinity f(x).
Akash. 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 1, negative 1, 2, negative 4, basically.
Okay.
That's where the line goes. It's either the line goes up to infinity or down to infinity.
Down to infinity. Okay.
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 All right. Okay. So can you do the last one yourself yet? Can you do that? Yes, you can. Let's do it.
Okay.
Alright, so
Degree 5.
degree 5, coefficient 1,
Okay. Okay, what can you tell me about degree 5?
as it goes to the left, it goes down, as it goes to the right, it goes up.
Yep.
It's this one, right?
It's a paperclip.
Yep.
Yep.
Left down, right up. How you describe the end behavior for me in math language?
Fx arrow positive Sx equals to negative infinity. And Fx positive and then Xs positive infinity. The same thing as here.
The same
No,
thing?
you're-
But over here, left is go down. So left go down when x is goes to negative infinity, then fx should go down. Go down is what?
Negative infinity.
Okay? And right up. This is describing right up. That's right.
Yeah.
Yep, positive infinity. Okay? Alright, so this is end behavior. I just ask you know how to read this. If you in the real life you tell people, okay, left go down, right go up, they will know what that means, and you will know how to graph it. So as long as you understand this part, I will say you know how to do the lead coefficient test. Okay, all right, but you do need to know how to read this. Is everybody know how to read this? Laziz?
Yes.
Laziz?
Okay. Left. Sure. Down.
So this is basically saying when x is going all the way left, when x is like going to very, very small, y going to very, very small as well. So left go down. And this one is saying x is closer and closer to positive infinity when x's go up, and then the y is also going up, then right is up. Okay, we will see more and more of this. We will understand. Okay, the next one I want to talk about the zeros. And let's just do one question and I want to play a game. So
Wanna play a game, Miss Tia?
yep. All right. So let me talk about this very quick and tomorrow we'll do examples on it, okay?
Tomorrow? We're doing it tomorrow.
Yes. We didn't
Was it Wednesday?
Yes, but I didn't do it yesterday. I have something. So
We can have Miss Tia.
okay, Akash. Too nosy.
Gosh, stop being nosy.
Do you want to meet tomorrow or no? Do you need to go to school, guys?
Yeah, we need to go to school.
Hold on. Stop tricking me.
Let's get some breakfast after that, bro.
No gathering. You just don't understand, don't you?
Go social distancing. We should do social gathering.
No. All right, hold on. Seniors is from 11 to 12. Yeah. Do you guys need to go to school? No? All right. Okay. No is perfect. All right. So every time if I ask you to find zeros, what you are finding?
What makes f of x equal to 0?
What make fx equal to 0, which means finding the x-intercept. Does that make sense? Make y equal to 0 and we find x. That's what finding 0 means. Okay?
Finding x-intercepts, yes.
Yes. So it is possible to show that for a polynomial function f for degree n, the two statements below have to be true. Okay? So f has to have n real zeros. for example, if you have a polynomial function, polynomial degree is 2, right? So we said whole quadratic. I mean quadratic. So if you have a quadratic function, quadratic degree is 2. So for every quadratic function, it has to have 2 real zeros.
Okay.
Which is not true. At most 2 real zeros. They can have only one intercept. Okay, they can have non-intercept, but at most two real zeros. It's never will be like if you have a quadratic function that have 3 x-intercept. It's not possible. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So okay, Akash, if you say no, let me ask you. If I have a polynomial function as degree 7, how many real zeros at most I can have?
7.
7. Okay, so what's your question?
Oh, why did you explain it like that, Miss Tia? Why did you have to go big?
Okay, all right. And also the graph f also have n minus 1 turning point. For example, okay, I have to, for example, for example, quadratic function. Quadratic function is degree of 2, and then they at most will have 1 turning point.
Yeah.
Okay, so all right, Hanel, if we have a polynomial function with degree 5, how many turning points at most it can have?
5, 4.
No, 4.
4, n minus 1. Okay, 4. All right, so over here, these 4 things are talking about the same thing. If x equals to a is a 0 for the function, and like x equals to a also a solution when you make y equal to 0. And x minus a is also a factor, because if you think how to solve the equation, we factor it out and we make each term equal to 0. So this is also a factor, and also a0 is the x-intercept. So these 4 things, when they talk about these 4 things, they are talking about exactly the same thing. Okay? All right. So we will do the example and rest of them tomorrow. And right now, I wanna play a game. No. Okay, we're gonna play a better game. Okay. All right. Go to your Google Classroom. No.
No. What?
Go to Google Classroom and then click the link.
We're gonna play the boring Deadpool game.
Okay.
Boring to see.
Who said it? Okay, you guys need to be quiet. Okay. All right, just do it.
It's Desmos, Miss Tia.
What's wrong with Desmos? All right, see?
Boring.
No, it's not boring. See, because of you guys, I cannot find my tab anymore. All right.
So now you want me to log on to Desmos, Miss Tia?
Yes.
Miss Tia, you have to cut hair. You move.
Okay, now I'm your barber.
But do you even have to?
I thought I do, but actually I don't. Okay, we need to stop. You need to mute my streaming. All right, are you all in? I'm watching you.
No.
Trying to get it.
Code would have been so much easier.
Look at Isaac. Isaac is a star student.
He's it?
Yeah, he's in already.
He was probably already there.
Like at all, right?
Okay.
I never heard Isaac say anything. You know how badly I want to say, shut up, Isaac. How badly I want to say that.
Your partner, Isaac.
Once he starts talking, I swear to God, I want to say, shut up, Isaac.
All right, I just okay.
Like, just like, shut
They
up.
make you pick fair.
I cannot let you see my screen. Okay, how do I mute my screen? Hold on. All right, you have to see my face. Okay.
Isaac, turn your mic on once. I just want to say, shut up, Isaac. Like, when you talk.
All right. Can you see me now?
Is your person wearing a long sleeve shirt?
Glasses. No.
All right. Hold on. Okay. Now you can see me from the. Okay.
Are we really playing this?
Yes, we are. Isn't
See,
that
I'm
so
not even-
great?
I don't even know what they're talking about.
Isaac just totally messed me up. I asked how many turning points does the graph have, and he chose yes.
Well, you.
Are they only allowed to do yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, yes or no only thing. I can't really do it.
Shut up, Isaac. Shut up,
Isaac,
Isaac.
you can
Shut up,
talk.
Isaac.
Okay, Akash, if you keep bullying students, I have to report you. Hold on.
Oh, my partner is Missy. Okay, Missy.
Hi.
Wearing glasses.
Waiting for a question, sir.
Uh-oh, their
What is
partner's
this,
been
huh?
eliminated. But
Well, you can ask a lot of different questions, like x-intercept, y-intercept, even, odd, whatever we learn.
bro, my
Okay.
partner's no.
Oh my god.
Speaking of which graph, you partner pick cash, yeah or no questions. I don't know what partner. What? I don't know what you picked.
Isaac, just tell me what the.
Okay, no talking. Shh. You cannot talk in the real life.
Is it even or odd?
Oh no.
That's not a yes or no question, Akash.
Oh shit.
Okay, no cursing neither. Akash.
Is it even? Yes or no?
Okay, let's see. Hurry up.
I'm trying.
Yes, it's even.
Okay.
So both of them are going up. There's only okay. Go on without eliminating. Oh, that's eliminated some. Oh my god.
Bro, who the hell's gonna be my partner?
Does it move up?
You
Miss
forgot to
Michael.
yeah.
Does it move up? Who's your partner?
Missy, bro. Now I'm nervous.
Oh.
Don't be. Oh my god.
I just
I don't even have a partner.
eliminated. I didn't eliminate.
Ask me anything.
No. It doesn't move up. That's not it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a partner.
It doesn't move up. So okay.
Yeah, we're just waiting here for a partner.
Okay, everybody needs to hurry up. Then Javier can have a
Isaac,
partner.
It had to have been even. Isaac, it was literally even.
The thing is, how could I do it?
You told me it was odd.
Come on, Missy.
Missy,
Yes.
you have a miscalculation.
Isaac, you
We don't
messed
have
me
a-
up.
There's not enough people to do this.
Doesn't move
You know
up.
that?
You didn't
Okay, Adam, where's your
Isaac,
friend?
the graph it was even, and you told me it was odd.
Alright, hold on, Javier. I will quit. Okay, after this round, I will quit. Okay.
Whoa, who's your partner?
Alright, I will close this.
This game.
This game is not very fun. Let's take a Kahoot, guys.
Alright, I. Javier, do you have a partner now?
Akash.
Yeah, apparently, I guess.
Okay.
Guys, let's play Kahoot.
No.
Yes, I can.
Alright, if I can find a fun Kahoot, we'll do it tomorrow, okay?
Dumb, Akash.
I don't know.
Guys, you can ask for, yeah, it's even or odd. Is the x-intercept at 0, 1? You can ask, is that a... Guys, just be creative. You can do it.
Let me see it. What's new?
What's new? Nothing.
We got 5 minutes, guys.
Okay, let's see.
I
Alright.
lost. There's that.
Isaac, it's literally a U-shape, bro.
What?
Let me see.
Yeah.
Who is
Isaac,
asking
come on,
good
Isaac.
questions?
I am here. Look at mine. Look at mine.
Alright, who said check your phone?
Is it positive?
Even, yes. Odd, no. Your question can be, it's it even or I don't know.
Wait. Yes.
You see it. You know you never got me those fried rice or whatever it is that you were gonna bring me. Remember we had this talk after school one day that you were gonna bring me Chinese food, but we never got to.
Yeah,
Is it
okay,
even? You said
let me.
yes or, is It's a yes or no question.
Let me show you something, okay? Let me show you my dinner yesterday. It's very
it
delicious.
is odd, or it is even.
Look, this is my dinner yesterday.
Okay, it's even and all.
I made it myself. For
Oh wow, that's nice.
I know, right? And
So you can cook, Missy, but you just don't want to cook.
no, I just don't have time. Now I do have a lot of time, so I'm very happy every day.
Well, I'm sad every day, Missy.
Why you're sad?
Oh shit, I forgot one.
Supposed to be my senior year, Missy. I should be there.
I know. Poor Akash. Akash, are you still playing? Okay, guys, you do.
Does it have a constant? Oh, yeah. All of these have constants and all.
No, they don't.
The one that you didn't cross out from last time doesn't.
I'm talking about that one.
That one?
Yes.
That has a constant. That has a -2.
Yeah, the other ones don't have a constant.
But yeah, I said it has a constant. The other ones have a constant. That one has -3. That one has -3. And the other one has no constant.
Missy, did you fill out the SBA loans
When it goes straight.
for like free $10,000?
That's not a constant.
What you said?
You can fill out SBA loans for free
The
$10,000.
constant is the B term.
Fill out an SBA loan.
No.
Well, hold on. I think what Adam is saying constant is like do they have a y-intercept?
Yeah, that's one intercept. I'm saying constant as in like, does it have a constant like?
I think the constant in math is like y-intercept. It's like if they have a term on the end, like just assume when x all equal to 0, what y is equals to. That's the constant term. Okay.
Isaac, talk.
Does it go
I just
down?
asked a question.
It wants me to ask you, or I'm waiting for you to ask me a question, Java here.
Shut up, Isaac.
Okay, Javier, I can see your question. That is not a question. TERGFRY. That's not a question.
Oh,
Not a question. I can see your screen. You know that?
I lost.
You lost. No, you are not. You just quit playing. Alright, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna... What kind of Kahoot do you want to play?
Missy, you really want to do this tomorrow? Okay, fine. We'll do this Tuesday and Wednesdays from now on.
We are doing no. We are still doing Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. But since I didn't do it Monday this time, so I do Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay?
But Missy, April 10th is an Easter break. I just hope you know that. 10, 11, 12.
You just
We just had a break.
you just had a break.
But April 10th is Easter. I'm just saying.
Okay, what do we do? We have a party, like everybody bring some food in front of them and start to eat. Yeah, like we can have a breakfast. Do you guys want to have a breakfast together?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Just bring your own breakfast and eat
No.
in front of the camera.
No, answer my question.
What's your question? Alright, this is the last game, okay? If you are still playing, you finish it up.
Answer my question.
Missy, how's your AP stats class doing? Are they struggling more now?
Tomorrow we're gonna do a social distance Kahoot, okay? Alright, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Missy, how's your AP stats class doing? Are they struggling?
I don't know. I haven't seen them during the spring break like you guys. But they are doing fine.
Adam.
They got really lucky.
It's odd.
Why'd you tell me it was even?
My bad. It's odd.
You are so comfortable, honey.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Alright, you have a timer? Come on. Alright, I like that too. Alright, guys, and I hope you have a great day.
You see it.
Yes.
I'm like mathematically I got a 0 in completing squares. So what should we do about that?
Okay. Alright, if you're interested in complete square, stay for a second. Rest of you guys can go.
Wait, are you putting grades in?
I know, but see it.
I don't know. I need to see what the administrator say.
Because I got like 50 on the rest of them, and then I got like a 0 in completing square.
How about tomorrow, Akash? Tomorrow, the first thing I will like pull the Khan Academy up. We do Khan Academy together.
Yeah, we'll do it together.
All right, sounds good. All right, guys, I was.
Still doing this?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, finish your game, okay? If you're not finished yet. Okay, I'm gonna take my dog out one more time because that stupid.
How many times did you get knocked
That stupid dog refused to poop. He needs to poop.
We're talking at least 5 times. We legit play outside, especially if it's nice outside. We keep it out for a long time.
Yeah.
Miss Tia,
Yes.
we gave our dog boots.
Why?
She's getting used to them, actually.
Okay. All right.
Funny.
I have to say bye, but I have to. And I'll see you tomorrow. Yay! Alright, I like your outfit. Laziz. Just no, you.
What?
I like your hair. It seems like you have more hair than before.
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, I have to.
Alright, let's see it.
I need to unstream.